Hey guys, it's Brandon over here at Eurospec Performance in Rio Rancho, New Mexico with another video. We got this 2006 Lamborghini Gallardo in from El Paso, Texas for full service, spark plugs, pretty much vehicle inspection. He got about 1,000 miles ago, so we're gonna make sure the thing's good to go for him and see what he needs to get this thing back where it needs to be. So let me take you around the car a little bit and then show you what we've done so far. So here she is, a 2006 Gallardo. What we're going to be doing today is oil change, filter change, transaxle fluid change, front diff fluid change, brake fluid exchange, radiator fluid exchange, and spark plugs and coils. So it should be a pretty good Saturday today. Beautiful color, pretty good condition. On the inspection we noticed it had a blown shock, oil leak, nothing too serious, valve cover gaskets, stuff like that. So we'll be giving him his estimate. So far we have the frame rails out so we can access the spark plugs on the driver's side. I already have everything pulled. We're getting ready to raise it so we can drain all the fluids. I already have the oil filter open, but I don't know if you can see that. There's a bunch of oil down in there that we're going to need to address later on. We also found this bolt that's not correct, so we'll be taking the throttle body off, making sure it's not broken inside the intake, and then fixing that as necessary. Other than that, pretty good. We're going to be doing air filters as well. So here's a little walk around on the top side, and let's get in the air and I'll show you what's going on the bottom side. Also, here's everything we're going to be doing. All the fluids, Motul of course, red line, all the good stuff. So client specified all this stuff, he brought it in, so this is what we'll be putting in his car. All right, here we are underneath the Gallardo. Finished draining everything. Just waiting on the transaxle to drain now. Oil's done, front diff's done. Once this finishes, we'll fill the front diff rear transaxle, and then we'll drop it and fill our oil, and then we'll finish the spark plugs. But everything went really well. Everything looked pretty clean. Only 20,000 miles on this one for an '06, which is average, I guess, for now. So, yeah, there it is. We'll be back. All right, all the services went good. Test driven, checked. No leaks anywhere. Everything runs good. Clutch is at 53% wear. Client's on the way now to pick her up. So, yeah, here's the outside of it. I'll show you the engine area. I cleaned it up a bit for him. So it looks really nice. Still needs some work. He'll be coming back later. Just figured I'd clean his engine up a little bit for him before he gets here. Alright, cool. Well, thanks again for watching. We will see you again next time. Thanks.